Hello everybody and welcome to the Magic McDs and welcome to our room tour video of a Lion King family suite at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We got pixie dusted and this is proof positive that you should always check in person because had we done it on the app only, they wouldn't have been able to ask us if we were okay sacrificing our Little Mermaid room, and some people aren't, they want to keep that. But since we checked in person, they were able to confirm that we were okay with getting an upgrade, and heck yes we were, so we took it. And off to the races we were. This is going to be part of a much longer video that's a deep dive on our full state art of animation. So if that's something you want to see and you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click subscribe and you won't miss any of that. Alright, that is enough from me. Let's go check out this awesome family suite in our Art of Animation Resort. Alright, here we go. The Lion King building. Building 10, room 532. I think we said this earlier in the video. This was an upgrade. We got pixie dusted, and it's so funny because I was on a bulletin board with somebody asking about pixie dusting, and everybody was like, that never happens to them, and here we are getting pixie dusted. So this is adorable. You're in the Lion King building, so we got the Lion King theme. There's no doubt about that. One thing that I immediately noticed was no carpet anywhere in this unit. It's sort of like this, I guess it's supposed to be like a pebbled sand bottom.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. And it's good because this, like you said, this is a dog-only resort. So, God forbid we have any accidents. We're not expecting that. She is very trained. But it'll make it for an easier cleanup. This place sleeps a lot of people. And I'm sorry about the echo. This is definitely the most cavernous room, right? If it's got a...
It is.
But that folds down. So that's a Murphy bed. And look, that's not Zazu, just some birds, right?
Yeah,
in here?
Yeah, Zazu's on our bed.
Oh, okay. We'll get to Zazu in a second. My only complaint about this room is that I wish they had like another lamp in here. Yeah, it feels good now, but I noticed it earlier. Maybe now that I have the windows open, it's okay. So, and then you can sleep 2 more people. That pulls out, but look, you get like basically a little kitchen. It even has its own little sink here. A coffee maker, a microwave, which is clutch. I mean, if you guys get a pizza or something from Quick Serve, bring it back. You can now heat it up. I think this is an actual fridge. It's definitely got a freezer area. We've got the essentials in there, vodka and tequila mixers. But yeah, having a sink in here is clutch. They give you some paper towel. That's handy. And then, yeah, I haven't tested it. I don't know how comfortable it is. But look at the giraffe sticking out. And by the way, I think this is my favorite lamp anywhere on Disney property.
That lamp.
This is adorable.
Do you know, it also kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Like that lamp.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. It's got like a dewdrop kind of feel with the vine. Yeah. Of course, there's your Amazon activated, hey Mickey, hey Amazon device. I never really mess with those on these trips. Nice thing about Art of Animation and Pop Century is there's no exterior doors. You do come in from the hallway. This is our view. We're on the first floor. Really not here for views. I don't think they have many, but with Molly, it's way more convenient to be on the bottom floor. So this is great. I can run out and just take her right here, or the designated spots.
I think there's designated spots.
McDonald family, lots of storage. There's no dedicated closets, so you're just kind of hanging your clothes in here because it's also the same in the main bedroom here. There's Zazu. Adorable. Look, plenty of space underneath the bed, as there are at most Disney resorts these days. But again, in here, there's no actual enclosed closet, but they do have hangers, everything you'd find in a closet, the extra pillow and the blanket, ironing machine, ironing board, a luggage rack. They still got you covered. Another TV in here. I think 50 inches the standard now. That might be a 55 inch. I like the lamps in here too. It's cute. It pops. I like the curtains, the flowery theme. And then what I liked about this is we have 2 bathrooms. I'll take you to the other one in a second, but the main bedroom has a walk-in shower. We're big fans of that. So it's nice. It's not a rain head, a rainfall shower, which frankly I think those are overrated anyways. But I look at this. Look at it. It's the setting sun from Lion King. That's probably my favorite shower.
Is that like, it's like the Savannah view,
yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I love it. That is fantastic.
That's cool.
I'm going to be playing some Lion King inspired music on the phone. Yeah, and then in here.
Oh, I love it.
Boy, there's no lack of theming in this resort.
This is so perfect if you you've got a family that, I mean, Lion King's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
This is legit. This is great. Did you already show that bathroom yet?
No, let's
Oh my gosh,
let's finish
that
up in here.
bathroom, I have something to say.
Okay, separate vanity, which I like, and then the water closet and the look, I love the shower curtain.
I love how life-size, I mean, he's bigger than life-size Pumbaa is.
Timon and Pumbaa are getting it on. Yeah, it's very real thing. And then this is, let me pull it back so you can see.
Oh, does it have the same?
Oh, that's cool too. And then it's a tub. So if you have little ones, you need to give them a bath. It won't be a problem in here.
How cool.
This, to knock this down, I think the only thing you have to do is move the
chairs?
These chairs, which by the way, in and of themselves, are very well themed.
They're very cool.
Yeah.
They're and they're plastic. They look like they were maybe wood. They're a lot lighter than they appear.
Okay.
Like, yeah, they're not as heavy.
Plenty of storage in here too. Oh, the other thing I'll say is,
Want to see it? Do you want me to-
if you work on putting that down, I'm going to go comment about one other thing. I wanted to point this out. There are a plethora of USB chargers. Look, there's 2 on either side here, so you've got 4 in here. I don't think there were any over there. Oh, here it comes. Oh, look at that. It's like a transformer.
What?
Oh, that's adorable.
How cute.
And then you've got Simba sleeping up there.
That's adult Simba, right?
Yeah. What is that switch for? Is there like a light feature? Oh, I see a light. There's lights in the top, so I think that activates the lights.
Is it only on this side? I can't get to it right now.
I think so. That's okay. 2 more USB chargers in here. So we're up to 6 already. There is 1 USB charger in each of the bedside table. I'm sorry. No, there are 2. 2 on each of these. So now we're up to 8 total. And then another 4. So 12 USB chargers. If you're a family with a lot of devices, this family suite has you covered. It's ridiculous.
Here, I did put it turned on. Look, that's cool.
Oh, there you go.
I shut off the lights.
So somebody's in here at night and they have that, basically their own little night light. That's really cute.
How cool.
I love it.
This is such a cool space.
Yeah.
And you can sleep so many people for pretty good price.
6 people, yeah.
Yeah, like, that's insane. I wonder how much this was going for this weekend, because this isn't the one we booked.
We'll look it up and tell you guys later on, but
Yeah.
how much did we pay? We paid for a standard.
I think it was like 200-ish.
Okay,
at night,
so
which isn't-
to get this upgrade at the last minute, pretty good deal.
It was great.
Yeah, so Molly, what do you think? Do you approve? You a big fan? This is great. With these floors and the surfaces, I can see why this is a pet-friendly resort. I mean, it's going to be easy to clean up for people with allergies and,
Yeah.
you know, if that's ever an issue.
Yeah, I think it's great. I actually think it's cleaner in general. Like, dogs or not, you know what I mean?
I think it might be the funnest room we've stayed in. Because, like, the yacht club was beautiful and gorgeous, but it didn't scream Disney, did it?
No, I mean, like,
Do you know the Coronado?
So this is, like, very in your face in a good way.
Yeah.
Like, if this is what you're looking for, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Like,
If you have kids that are, like, they
Yeah.
want to be surrounded by Disney.
I mean, we are, it's just the 2 of us traveling all the time. So we do
Yeah.
really enjoy, you know, like, a nicer hotel, like, more amenities in hotels.
Yeah.
But, like, this would be amazing for a family.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine a family walking in here and being absolutely thrilled.
Yeah.
We will do this. This is going to be a standalone room tour video, but I'll also be we're going to do a whole deeper dive about our weekend. So I'll show you the grounds, but you can just kind of get a taste for them out here. It's very pleasant. It's very well laid out, nicely landscaped. I'm very happy that the weather seems to be cooperating. It's been a very, very stormy week. Look at Mufasa in effect over there. Looking good. I'm looking forward to seeing this place at night, too. Anyways, I think that's going to do it.
Just like that. It's
Oh, there, yeah. So super
super.
easy to set up. Absolutely. The other nice thing about this, I like this place too, is look at this.
Sorry.
You can get the AC down to 64 degrees.
What?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like an ice box in here.
We're gonna make it snow in here. That's why the floor is hard, so you can skate on it.
We need to go find that dachshund sweatshirt so I can wear it.
All right, we're going to go explore the resort. If you guys want to see more of our adventures, tune into the bigger video. I'll probably incorporate this in the larger video too, but it'll also be a standalone. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. We're going to go have fun. Until next time, have fun storming the castle.
And stay magical.